All right, update. That's what I've been working on for a little bit. Powder coat. So I just got this blast cabinet. It's the old Harbor Freight set up. I just assembled it. I just barely put on a regulator, water separator today. I am working on building a metering valve and getting that mounted up while I wait for the foot pedal and gun to come in. As far as that, I mean, kind of at a standstill right now. I am going to get one of those dust separators and probably do that mod where your intake vent is over here and it pulls from the back to try to keep your view clear. Really, all in all, it's not a bad cabinet. I got it for 156 bucks shipped to my house, so really not bad at all. So yeah, there's that part. My little powder coat booth. I pretty much just put some plastic up so it doesn't go all over the fucking garage. Built a little tent to shoot all the stuff in. I have one of these Harbor Freight systems, and I have the Eastwood system. And honestly, they're the fucking same. At least they feel the same to me. They both work great until you start getting into two coat processes, doing the candies, stuff like that. Doesn't come out the greatest. There's just some regular silver I've done, black, red. As soon as I start getting into the dual coats, they're hard with those guns, not being able to adjust. But I mean, you can get them to come out okay. I found best thing I can do is heat the part to 200 and then I send it. Seems to come out better. It just doesn't like to stick. You get that back ionization. But I just got a 220 wired in so I could hook up a actual house oven, and of course I got the little toaster oven. So now I got that and that. I'm going to work on building an oven that's at least big enough to do a frame, and I'll rob all the internals out of this. But yeah, starting to get this set up pretty good. Little shelf here, and I just had this upstairs in my garage pretty much completely empty. I just wasn't really doing anything. I had a storage pile over there, that's it. So I figured, fuck it, time to do some powder. Sick of just paying outrageous prices. Figure if I put the money into getting my own setup, for one, it'll pay off. It'll pay off doing one build. So definitely worth it. But yeah, I want to show you a little setup. I think I'm gonna maybe I'll do a couple of comparison videos. Do the Eastwood gun, and then I'll do the Harbor Freight gun. You know, show you about the same. Harbor Freight gun was around 60 bucks. Eastwood was 120 something. So, I mean, really, if all you're going to be doing small one coat parts, grab that Harbor Freight. Works great. Alright, stay tuned. Wanted to give an update. As soon as I start actually getting powder in and get this blast cabinet hooked up, we'll make some more videos. I'll try to start getting in and doing more experimental stuff and get some cooler videos out. Definitely excited. All right.